Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about adsorption and partition chromatography. First we will discuss about adsorption chromatography or otherwise called column chromatography. This was truly color chromatography techniques. It is based on the retention of solute by surface adsorption. It is useful in the separation of non-polar substance and constituent of low volatility. The ionic compound are not separated in this method. In liquid solid chromatography, solid serves as stationary phase. The forces acting between a solute and stationary support are three kinds. One is the weak van der Waals interaction, dipole induced dipole interaction, Landon forces. Adsorption is a physical phenomena. Adsorption isotherm curve are bell shaped and never linear. In a column, upper part of column is a greater absorbing power and lower part of the column is less absorbing power. This is the decreasing order of absorbing power of some compounds. Sucrose is more absorbing power than cellulose, than starch, calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, magnesium carbonate, calcium oxide, silica gel, charcoal, magnesium oxide, alumina, Fuller's earth. So, Fuller's earth is the less absorbing power. Eluting power of solvent in silica gel is used as adsorbent. Elution of the adsorbate is the following order, that is saturated hydrocarbon is more than that of alkene, alkyne and aromatic hydrocarbons is greater than esters, aldehyde and ketones is greater than that of amines and alcohols and phenols and carboxylic acid. And next topic is a theory of development. Retention volume, that is R. R must be equal to F of C by C, where C is the concentration. Column efficiency. Peak resolution, that is RS, must be equal to 2 into TRB minus TRA by WA by WB, where TRA and TRB is a retention time of compounds A and B respectively. WAB is the base width. RS equal to 1.5 means separation 99.7% complete. If RS value must be equal to 1 means separation is 98% complete. Number of theoretical plate, that is N, must be equal to 16 into TR by W whole square, where TR is the retention time, W is the baseline width of chromatographic peak, or number of theoretical plate N equal to 5.54 into TR by WH by into whole square. In adsorption chromatography, differential refractometer are used as a detector. Factors affecting column efficiency. First one is a nature of solvent. Rate of flow in solvent is inversely proportional to the viscosity. Dimensions of column 1:20 to 1:100 and size is inversely proportional to the efficiency and column length is directly proportional to the efficiency. Generally, the particle size is 100 to 200 mesh is possible, and temperature soluble sample is need high temperature. Application of adsorption or column chromatography. It is used to separate of geometrical isomer, separation of diastereomer, to separation of tautomeric mixture, and separation of racemates. In column chromatography is used on a large scale for research lab, that is a preparatory work. A large number of organic compounds have been separated by this method. Next topic, partition chromatography. The principle of liquid-liquid partition chromatography consists of two immiscible liquids. One is held stationary phase and other one is a mobile phase. Stationary phase is a hydrophilic solvent, for example water, alcohol, etc. In mobile phase is a hydrophobic solvent, that is water immiscible organic solvent, that is hexane, diethyl ether, etc. Partition chromatography is used in the separation of mixed organic acids. The band may be made visible by adding indicators such as bromocresol green to silica gel. This is the equation to correlate the rate of movement of a zone with the partition coefficient is RF equal to AM by AM plus KD into AS, where AM is the area of mobile phase, AS is the area of stationary phase. RF is retention factor, we know. KD is the partition coefficient. This is the relation between retention volume, that is VR, to partition coefficient KD, that is VR equal to VM plus KD into Vs, where Vm is the volume of mobile phase, Vs is the volume of stationary phase. VR minus Vm is adjusted retention volume, that is VR Vm by WL, specific retention volume. If Vm by Vs equal to 5 by 10 means the solvent should have KD equal to 5. The relation between Rm and temperature variation is Rm must be equal to log 1 by Rf minus 1. If T is the absolute temperature and C is the constant, then Rm equal to minus delta H by 2.303 R into 1 by T plus C, where minus delta H is the heat of partition, R is the universal gas constant. Thank you, friends.